Hey friends, Avi here. In today's video, I'm going to address the question, can I still exercise if I've sustained an injury? Now, if this is the first time you're at my channel, be sure to hit like or subscribe for more content that helps you to be the best physical version of you. Now, should you or shouldn't you? Well, the short answer is yes, absolutely. You can still exercise if you've been injured. The not so short answer is, it depends. Let me explain. After any injury, rest is vital in terms of helping the body heal and recover. However, rest does not mean lying in bed and not moving ever again. Rest means avoiding aggravating activity. In clinical practice, I deal with two groups of people. The first group are the kind that when they get injured, stop everything completely. And the second group are the type that when they get injured, they take anti-inflammatories, painkillers, and train hard through the pain. Now let me base my answer depending as to which group you may find yourself in. Now if you fall within the first group, if you sustain an injury, rest does not mean avoiding activity altogether. Rest means avoiding activities that aggravate your injury. This means you actively rest, where you still move and exercise other areas without straining the affected area. For example, if you sprained your ankle and you're unable to run, you can still cycle. If you fractured your arm, you can still do lower limb activities. The benefits of active rest include it helps to promote blood circulation. It helps to maintain muscle strength and endurance while minimizing the effect of deconditioning in the body. And honestly, moving and exercise helps with your mood, as any injury or any injury process can be so frustrating and can even lead to depression. Now, if you fall in the second group of people where you want to train through pain with the use of medication, remember, pain can lead to compensatory movement patterns, and this can happen so subtly. This, over a period of time, can lead to injury or problems in other areas of the body, and this can promote movement dysfunction. In this scenario, I would suggest seek medical help, such as seeing a physiotherapist or a doctor to help in not only relieving your pain, but identifying possible muscle imbalances or the root causes for what led to the injury in the first place. Furthermore, guys, don't rush your return to sport. Rather, listen to your body, because pain is merely a subtitle in the body's movie. And this subtitle is saying, maybe I'm too weak in this area, maybe I'm too stiff. It's all about identifying what it's trying to say. In a nutshell, if you've been injured, number one, actively rest. Number two, seek medical help to identify the root causes and possible compensatory patterns that may occur as a result of this injury. And number three, listen to your body. Guys, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please share it, like, or let me know. In the meantime, I hope you all stay safe and stay strong.